Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can delete items or remove items permanently from your ClickUp workspace to make some space in your workspace. It is very simple, guys. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your workspace on ClickUp and let's assume, for example, you have deleted a couple of items like messages, notifications, tasks, to-do lists, and so on and so forth. So whenever you delete them by right-clicking on them, for example, and by selecting delete here, they don't get removed permanently, but are going to get stored temporarily in the trash folder, and you will need to access the trash folder to get rid of these files or items permanently and for good. So to do that, click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select trash from that drop-down menu. And here you will see all items that will be automatically deleted after a time span of 30 days. So you can wait for that time span to expire, of course, or you can speed this up, guys, and for example, delete all items listed below, like tasks, forms, feedback forms, to-do lists, and so on and so forth, by clicking on clear all trash in the top right, or by simply clicking on these three dots here to the right, and by deciding whether you'd like to delete them for good by selecting delete forever, or restore them if you accidentally move them to the trash folder. So that's another option, guys. So that's how you delete items permanently on ClickUp. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.